मेरा नाम साइना है। मैं झुंझुनू राजस्थान से हूँ। मैं पढ़ाई करती हूँ, साथ ही साथ पिरामल फाउंडेशन नाम करके एक NGO है, उसमें काम करती हूँ। मैं आज आपके सामने वीमेन एजुकेशन पे स्पीच बोलने वाली हूँ। एजुकेशन इज द फाउंडेशन ऑफ ए प्रोग्रेसिव सोसाइटी। एम्पावरिंग women with education drives a country's social, economic and cultural development. Over the years, the world has witnessed progress in women's education, but there is still a long way to go. Women's education play important role in shaping the future of nation. It is not just about providing knowledge but also about empowering women to become leaders and for policy makers. When women are educated, they are better equipped to make informed choice about their lives, health and well-being. Education instills confidence, fosters critical thinking and enhances problem-solving skills and enabling women to navigate challenges effectively. Educated women also tend to have fewer children and better maternal health outcomes. They are more likely to vaccinate their children, give them proper nutrition, and ensure their well-being, thus contributing to a healthier and more prosperous society. There are several challenges that hinder the progress of women's education. In many parts of the world, girls face many challenges such as poverty and early marriage, which prevent them from accessing education. Many girls in India drop out of school after they beginning menstruating due to a lack of hygiene awareness in school. Moreover, deeply ingrained gender biases often lead to unequal opportunities for boys and girls. Even when girls manage to enroll in school, they might face discrimination in the classroom, limiting their academic achievements. Women's education has a far-reaching impact on society. Firstly, educated women are more likely to participate in the labor force, contributing significantly to the economy. As they get access to better jobs they increase their family's income, which in turn help in poverty reduction and economic growth. Education also empowers women to challenge social norms and gender stereotypes. They become agents of change, advocating for gender equality and women's rights. When women have a voice in society, it leads to better governance and policy making that addresses the needs of citizens. Education is protecting them from various forms of discrimination, violence, and harmful practices.